Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Here is an informative tutorial on how to write your first Python code in Google Colab. Google Colab is a free cloud-based Jupyter notebook environment provided by Google. It allows you to write and execute Python code in your browser, collaborate with others, and save your work in Google Drive. Follow the steps below to write your first Python code in Google Colab. 1. Access Google Colab *. Open your web browser and go to Google Colab, https://colab.research.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. 2. Create a new Python notebook *. Click on File in the top left corner. Select New Notebook to create a new Python notebook. 3. Write your Python code *. In the code cell, you can start writing your Python code. For example, you can print hello, world, by using the print function. 4. Run your code *. To run the code in the cell, you can click the play button on the left side of the cell or use the keyboard shortcut Shift plus Enter. The output of your code will be displayed below the cell. 5. Save and share your notebook *. You can save your notebook in Google Drive by clicking on File and then selecting Save a copy in Drive. You can share your notebook with others by clicking on the Share button in the top right corner. Here is an example of a simple Python code to print hello, world, in Google Colab. You can copy and paste this code into a code cell in Google Colab and run it to see the output. That's it. You have now written and executed your first Python code in Google Colab. Feel free to explore more Python functionalities and libraries using Google Colab for your projects and experiments.